Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom is the word avalanche. How do we say avalanche in Hebrew? So, avalanche is about collapse and snow together. And I believe that I saw snow only once in Vienna, and that was like years ago. But in Hebrew we say mפולת שלגים, and I will explain it in a minute. So avalanche, one word in Hebrew, מפולת שלגים. מפולת שלגים. מפולת שלגים. And now let's see what is this and what is that. First, snow in Hebrew is sheleg. Sheleg, this is masculine singular, sheleg. And plural, shlagim. Shlagim. Masculine plural. So, sheleg, shlagim. Sheleg, shlagim. Sheleg, shlagim. So, one noun. And this is מפולת. מפולת is from the shoresh nun pei lamed. You'll have to believe me that there was once a nun here and it fell. Like falling and fell. Disappear, but believe me. And pei lamed. מפולת. So it's like collapse and falling. When I say I fell, I would say in Hebrew, nafalti, or ani nafalti, I fell. Nafalti or ani nafalti. And this is feminine singular מפולת and plural feminine מפולות, מפולות. But avalanche, it's like this is singular feminine together with singular feminine and plural masculine. Interesting. מפולת שלגים is avalanche. מפולת שלגים. You'll find links to other lessons in the description box below. Niqqud, alphabet, derived stems, to have, to be, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon. Stay safe.